power of being kind. During the epidemic, I learned how to make cheesecakes and sourdough bread. So over the weekends, I usually make about 5 or 6 loaves of bread and cheesecakes. And the people that I've, maybe bought something from the week before, I may stop by, drop off a cheesecake. They can't pay me. They can't refer any business to me. They can't do anything. It's just an act of kindness. I'm sorry to get emotional about it, but our country needs that right now. We need more people that are willing to step up and just be kind to another person. Because there's just so many things you can't trust anymore that you thought you could. And you need a friend. We need more friends. So, sorry about that, Grego.